Before we continue, let me share something important with you. If you care about your online privacy, security, and freedom, you should definitely check out NordVPN.
Protects your internet connection, hides your IP address, and keeps your personal data safe from hackers, trackers, and public Wi-Fi threats. It also lets you access geo-restricted content from anywhere in the world. I personally recommend NordVPN because it's fast, reliable, and extremely easy to use on any device. Windows, Mac, Android, iOS, and even smart TVs. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to get NordVPN step by step. Let's get started.
First, click the link given to the comments section and it will take you to this page. Now click on Get NordVPN. You'll see different plans, monthly, 1 year, and 2 year. Longer plans usually give you the biggest discount. I am choosing Plus because it has the features we need. Enter your email address and choose a payment method. If you need a dedicated IP address, you can add it from here. Now we have to make payments. NordVPN supports credit cards, PayPal, and even cryptocurrency for extra privacy. From here, download the NordVPN app for your device. It works on Windows, Mac, Android, iOS, and more. After download, install the app, open it, and log in using the email you registered with. You will see an interface like this. Click Quick Connect or choose a country from the list. Once connected, your internet is secure and private. You can enable features like threat protection, auto connect, and kill switch for extra security.